Charlie Beats.
Failure, never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted. Bitterness has been tasted because I never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted because I never made it.
I never should've let it get this far, but now it's too late. Cause everything I had is gone and it's because of me. My kids are in a home and my baby mama hates me. And on top of all of this, my life is getting fucking crazy. I just never seen it coming, I was blind from pain. Everything happened so fast, I just couldn't do a thing. Now my life is a mess and I just feel like I'm fucked. But I'm trying to build a roof so I can get out of this rain. And it feels like my life is slowly draining down the drain. Everything that I had, I know will never be the same. So what I'm saying is I'm sorry and I'm taking all the blame. I don't want it like this, but something just never changed. It's been 3 fucking years and everything's still the same. I've been lost for some time, and that time I can't rewind. So gotta deal with these problems and figure out how to fix it. But it is what it is, so homie, don't get it twisted.
Failure, never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted. Bitterness has been tasted because I never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted because I never made it.
There's some days in my life where I just break down and cry. I keep on telling myself that everything will be alright, when I know it's a lie. It's just some wishful thinking. I just wanted to go back to the way that it was, when my life made sense and I was actually happy, proud of who I was and not living in shame. It's funny how they say that life will get better. Well, I've been waiting and waiting, and it just seems like forever. Like it's never gonna change, like I'm meant to be unhappy. If this is what it is, well then kill me right now. I don't wanna live this way. If this is all life's gotta offer, I would rather live in hell if I can't be there for my daughter. But I'm trying, yes I'm trying to turn my life around. I'll do whatever it takes to make things right. And even if it means that I gotta give my life, and even if it means that I gotta give my life.
Failure, never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted. Bitterness has been tasted because I never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted because I